You have such incredible products, so let's talk about some of the stuff that you have brought with us today.
The primary thing that I am responsible for is the wild sockeye and the wild king salmon. And these are fish that I personally catch in Alaska on my boat, and then I bring back to our processing plant. We process them, and then we directly sell them.
So, but that's really unique though. So you fish the product, you process the product, you sell the product
directly to our customers.
That is what makes your business outstanding.
You know, it's very rare in the seafood industry to be able to find the connection to bring the exact seafood right to your door, that you know where it came from. To know who caught your fish is so unusual in this industry.
You can order all these products online and have them shipped to your door anywhere in the country within just a few days. Go to our website, wildalaskasalmonandseafood.com,